Bill. It's Mark from engineering support at Park Technologies. Everything okay over there?
I don't know.
Well, no need to worry. We see you have a problem on hcluster4web2.cle.sl.kingcorp.net. We'll figure out what's going on. Carl's gonna give you a call shortly to schedule a time to come out. That sound good?
Yes, of course.
With ParkView Automated Support, hardware failures don't have to be frightening. ParkView proactively identifies hardware events 24/7, automatically opens tickets, and dispatches ParkPlace engineers to quickly resolve the issue. Go to parkplacetechnologies.com or contact your ParkPlace sales representative to learn more.